All right, last one for the week here. Algebra Lesson 12, more order of operations. Welcome back to the PEMDAS free order of operations zone. If you learned order of operations through PEMDAS, that's just fine. I'm mostly joking here. I just don't want anyone to think that addition comes before subtraction and multiplication comes before division. Because as we talked about last lesson, first, you handle any symbols of inclusion. Second, any exponents. Third is multiplication and division from left to right. Fourth is addition and subtraction from left to right. Okay? So we're increasing the difficulty a little bit here. First thing to point out with letter A is there's implied multiplication between these parentheses. So I'm going to add in a multiplication sign there. And I have negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5 times negative 4 minus 1. That is also negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5 is going to be positive 25. All right. Letter B, 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. So I have 4 minus negative 2. That is 4 plus 2. And that is 6. Letter C, negative 3 times negative, negative 3 minus negative 3 is negative 6. All right, let's emphasize that for a second. Some of you might look at this and say, why is this not negative 3 times negative 3? Okay, well, they would both have to be in parentheses for it to be negative 3 times negative 3. See, if I said 3, if I said 3 times negative, this is 3 times negative 3, right? This is negative 9. This is 3 minus 3. This is 0 because there's no parentheses around this negative 3. Okay, so the parentheses matter, right? This is just negative 3 times negative 3. There's no multiplication here, there. There's implied multiplication here because I have no sign between this number and the parentheses, but this is just subtraction. This is 1 minus 3. That's negative 2. So I have negative, so I still have to do my multiplication now before I do this addition. This addition is going to come last. Negative 5 times negative 6 is 30. 2 times negative 4 is spoiler alert. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 30 plus negative 4. So that's going to be 26. Okay, I do the parentheses first, then I do the multiplication, then I do the addition last. Letter D, first one with a fraction bar or a division sign. First thing to note, this fraction bar is a symbol of inclusion, meaning you need to simplify the entire numerator and the entire denominator before you divide, okay? It's like there's brackets around, both the top and bottom expression. The last thing I'm going to do is do the numerator divided by the denominator. So 10 minus 8 is 2. I'm going to multiply. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. So I have negative 6 minus negative 4. Subtracting negative 4 is the same as adding 4. Negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. So that's my numerator. My denominator, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. 4 minus negative 9 is the same as 4 plus 9, which is 13. Minus 13 is 0. Oh, look at that. Negative 2 divided by 0, that's going to be undefined because there is no number that I can multiply by 0 to get negative 2. In fact, when you have a problem like this, it's almost worth doing the denominator first to see if it's going to be 0, because that tells you your answer is going to be undefined or indeterminate. You still do have to simplify the numerator, because if the numerator is 0, the answer is indeterminate versus undefined. But if that denominator is 0, you know your answer has to be undefined or indeterminate. Let's quickly double check. Make sure I didn't make any math mistakes here. 23 or 25, 6, 26. Yep, that looks good. Okay, so again, remember your order of operations, use symbols of inclusion first, then do your multiplication, then you do your addition or subtraction. And a division, fraction bar division sign like this does count as a symbol of inclusion, where you have to simplify the numerator and denominator first and then divide. All right. Okay, that is Algebra Lesson 12. I will post some more videos next week. Have a great day.